We got the Headlight X. I'm hoping this is the right size. It looks kind of small. We'll see. It's got the 3M adhesive on the back, a decent rivet on the inside. Feels like good leather, nice thick. And the bag, the tank bag, magnetic tank bag. Looks like it's canvas. It's got 6 magnets on it. Waterproof zipper. This leather here is brown. And it should fit my phone. Let's check this out. Jeez. Oh, this is nice. This could be a problem. Oh, that got stuck on in there. Comes with this kind of belt so you can carry it around and you pop it off the tank. Looks like a key holder. I wonder if it will fit my phone. Oh yeah, that's tight, nice and snug in there. That's pretty legit. Hopefully it all works. Okay, cool. Sweet. Just gonna take that out. Let's see how this looks on the bike. And we're gonna do this. All right, let's get this Headlight X on there. It's going on the Continental GT 650. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up here. All right, this is really gonna bug me if I don't get it right on the money. So I made the marks. It looks like it will have to be cut to length. Maybe just a little bit, but I might do that after. I might stick it on there and then use a razor blade to cut it. I've seen other people use scissors. Okay, so that was not cool. That would be definitely a knock on this product. Getting it underneath that one rivet there, and then it's taped all the way through the other side as well. Like they could have probably cut it here and then riveted it. I don't know. Either way, it was a pain, and I got it. I had to use a pair of pliers and pull on it. But that would be my one negative so far of this. Now I'm gonna try my best to get this sucker. Man, I'm gonna do the inside first. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. Okay, it sucks that I have OCD in there, but man, should I cut this or not? Should I just leave the edges like that? I don't know, what do you think? Let me see here, move the camera. So moving back away from it, it's pretty square. Now, the only thing that bugs me is this it goes over the chrome bezel. I've seen some people cut it. What do you think? All right, so I ended up taking a razor blade and actually cutting the edges to where they made up to the bezel. And then I turned the headlight on to create a little bit of heat to get these pressed down because it kind of has to go over this one. So there's like a gap in there. Overall, I like the look of it. I think it's cool looking. I don't know why Royal Enfield put these little white LEDs in there. I don't know if that really comes up on camera, but you have like the nice orange halogen lamp and then this ugly white LED in there. I don't know what that's for. So that pretty much wraps it up with those being installed. This guy works great. It fits the phone great. It looks good. It matches this. This was supposed to be brown. Well, it says it's brown. It is brown in color, but it's not as dark as I think these are called tobacco. This was brown as well. It does have that piece of leather around the top. This is a great product because it's easy to take on and off the bike. You can take it with you if you have your wallet and your phone in it. Take it into a restaurant or wherever you're going to the store. And as you can see, I'm wearing the loop that comes with this. It comes wrapped up in here. Essentially, you can wrap it up, keep it stored in here, and then when you take this off, you can feed this through these loops, wear it on your chest, around your side, or you can even feed this through your belt loop and just wear it like a fanny pack or something. Overall, I think that's a great product. It's a perfect size. I have other tank bags that just don't fit because of this, where the filler is for the fuel. The gas cap just gets in the way of other tank bags. This is the perfect size. That's cool looking. This is great and functional. And these are the best. Overall, good thumbs up from Trip Machine. I appreciate it. Great products. Keep doing what you're doing. And thanks for watching.